Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for purchase step by steps. If you are running an e-commerce store and want to track sales from your Google Ads, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First of all, I have to go conversion action. And then you have to select a conversion for a website for you and then save and continue. And then you have to tracking actually purchase tracking. So that is you will be taking tracking purchase and that create conversions. This is actually e-commerce tracking and this is a website. So that's it. And that manually and automatically always must be. You have to select actually manually with code and then you have primary action, process tracking, some primary action, you have to name process tracking. And it's actually three different value. You have to use the same value of the each other. Use different values for each conversion. You will say step to add dynamic, but you have to select USB one by one, and then you have to count every, and then you have to click to conversion below 90 day performance engaged view conversion below 30 day view engagement 30 day recommended and enhanced conversion. You have to set enhance or not, and then save and continue. And then go to see actually set up with the Google Tag email tab. Use the Google Tag Manager. This actual conversion below conversion level. And then it's actually conversion ID. So go to actually Google Tag Manager. You have to go Google Tag Manager new and then new tag and then Google Ads actually select. You have to Google Ads conversion tracking and then here's the conversion ID. You have to go and then you have to copy and then paste and the conversion level. You have to see conversion level. That is the copy and then paste. Actually conversion by e-commerce periods have to go the layer variables data variables and this actual conversion data variable. This actually have to say DLB commerce value, then you have to see DLB commerce value, then actually have to select DLB commerce value. You have a transaction ID, you have to need transaction ID, so you have to choose DLB the e-commerce transaction ID, and then you have to select the actual trigger setting. Trigger setting you have to purchase tag setup. So you have to select a name DLB Google Ads purchase tag setup and then you have to save and then you have to go submit it public continue and go to actual Google Ads conversion tracking then actually finish and then you have to see your track Google Ads conversion tracking purchase tracking. This is inactive right now. This is actually performance and then go to again Google Ads Google Tag Manager workplace and preview mode and then connect it. And then finally, DLB Google Ads process actually firing everything step by step. You have to see type Google Ads conversion tracking, firing status success, conversion below, DLB e-commerce below, transaction ID. You have to go order receipt ID, and then you have to see actually process track and recently no recent conversion because I have to not running campaign. That's the reason. So this is actually Google Ads conversion tracking setup. Process just so if you are running Google Ads and you are not 100% sure your process tracking is accurately, I am offer a free 30-minute consultations where we review your setup together. You can book your free call using the link in the description below. Let's make sure your ad budget is not being wasted. In this video, how to understanding. So I postly weekly together a tutorial about GTM and advanced tracking setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in